Hi, my TK friends. It's Mrs. McCarthy. I'm going to go ahead and be talking you through the steps to make your Thing 1 or Thing 2 character today. So, happy Dr. Seuss week. We've been looking at lots of different Dr. Seuss books. One of my favorites is The Cat in the Hat. And inside this story, we meet the characters Thing 1 and Thing 2. And so we're going to be making one of these characters from this story today. You'll notice that their bodies are red and their hair is blue, so keep that in mind. And also, there's Thing 1 and Thing 2. You're going to decide which thing you want to make today. All right, so let's talk materials. You are going to be needing these materials today. You've got a white piece of paper with a thing face. You've got a thing circle, and you've got a blue and red piece of paper. You're also going to need scissors and a glue stick. Okay, so step number 1 today is going to be for you to find someone at home who can help you trace around your hand. You're going to trace around your hand on the blue piece of paper and on the red piece of paper. Here's my example to show you guys what that will look like, okay? So this is my daughter Lucy's hand. I traced around her hand on the red piece and the blue piece. And my next step will be to start cutting around each hand. Now, this part could be a little bit tricky. Do the best you can. There's lots of twists and turns. Remember to keep your thumbs on top and always cut away from your body. You're going to want to turn the paper as you cut, not the scissors, okay? If you do need help from a parent, you can most definitely ask for help, but give it a try, see how you do. Maybe you can cut one hand and mom or dad can cut the other if you're having trouble. Maybe you can cut both hands. So if you need to pause the video right now while you are cutting, that would be a great idea. You're also going to want to cut out these 2 pieces as well. So when you come back to the video, you are going to have your 2 hands cut out and your circle thing and your thing face. So go ahead and pause, and when you're ready, I'll see you when everything's cut out. Okay, so let's get back to putting our Thing 1 and Thing 2 bodies together. So you've cut all your pieces out. Let's look at our next step. Our next step is going to be to grab our glue stick, okay? So when we looked at our Thing 1 and Thing 2 in the Dr. Seuss story, remember they have blue hair and red bodies. Okay, so you're going to take this blue hand and you're going to have it facing up, and you're going to take your red hand and you're going to have your red hand facing down. So you might want to think about, let's see if we can do this. I'm going to have my thumb going on this side of this hand, and here's my thumb of the other hand going this way. And what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue right here, and I'm going to stick my 2 hands together. All right, so I'm just going to overlap them just a little bit and stick my 2 hands together. So now this is just one piece. That's going to be my Thing 1 or Thing 2 body. All right, our next step, let's go ahead and we will take our face and we're going to glue this on top of the blue part of our hand, and maybe even a little bit over the red piece like that. So I'm going to glue my face. So it's okay if your face kind of overlaps on your body. I'm going to glue it mostly on the blue part of my hand, but a little bit comes into my red part of my hand. That's going to be our face. And next, I'm going to take my thing circle, and I'm going to go down to the middle of my red hand. I'll put a little bit of glue, and I'll glue that thing circle to the middle of my red hand. Okay, now we need to make our thing face. So I'm going to grab a black marker, or if you have a black crayon at home, that will work too. I'm going to find the middle of this white face, and I'm going to put a black dot. That's going to be our nose. I'm going to find I'm going to sort of go up to the top of my head. I'm going to put 2 dots for the eyes like this. And then a big smile down below. So here's my chin and my thing cheeks. I'm going to go ahead and make some eyebrows. So just that little curve up above my eyes. And then I'm going to go ahead and, if you want, you can put this little dimple on your chin. So a dimple is like a little indent that sometimes when you smile you might see on your chin. So if you want to put that dimple, you can. If you want to leave it like this, you can too. So I'm going to put my little dimple on my chin. All right, now here's the fun part. Now you get to decide, do you want to put a 1 for thing 1 or a 2 for thing 2? So I'll show you 2 examples. If you choose 1, then you're just going to do your straight line down. 1 is fun, and you'll make a thing 1. If you want to make a thing 2 today, then you'll do your big curve, little line. So you get to decide, do you want to have thing 1 or thing 2? So you get to decide if you'll write your 1 or your 2 on your tummy today. All right, when it's all done, now you've got your fun thing 1 or thing 2 from our story Cat in the Hat. I hope you guys had fun today. I will talk to you later. Bye.